Hello, this is Shiva Sadiq and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to send customized auto response using Contact Form 7. Before you start, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe by clicking on the red button below, and also be sure to hit the bell icon for the notifications of the latest videos. So let's start. First of all, I created a contact form and added into the page. In previous video I set some condition fields. Plans depend on packages. First I will select package, then plans will show according to the package. In my previous video I told how I made these fields. Now I want to send email to user according to the filling the form. For example, if I select a plan related to personal packages, then I just want to send emails only related to personal plans and skip other plans details. So I don't want to do it manually. I want to make a script which respond automatically, then I don't need to filter manually. So for this, now I'm gonna create a script. Let's start. For this, first of all, I go to the contact forms list page, and here I will check the ID of the form 3394, and after this, when I check this form, and I will go to the editor, open the project and open the functions.php file inside the child theme, and or you can use the parent theme, it's up to you. You can edit one of them. Let me create a action of contact form 7, and this is the action actually which will I create. Now I created an action which will execute when contact form submitted, then this function will be called. This is the customized response. Now I create this function, copy it, and I will get through this function I will get all the data contact forms through this parameter contact form, but we need only the contact ID 3394's data. This is the contact form because we don't have only one form. Usually we have more than one contact forms in the contact page. Now we'll get all data related to this using this condition. Now I set this condition. I just want to get the contact form 3394 this data. After this, now I will get all the data using these two lines. I will call an object while submission of the form, and then save the submitted into the post underscore data variable. And after this, now I create a conditions for the sake of the data filter. Let's create a condition, and the first one condition is related to packages actually. I will copy the post data and get the packages which I created in the form. Let me copy the exact variable is the packages, and if the packages is equal to, and the packages is equal to the personal packages, then this condition will execute. And otherwise make another else if condition. copy and paste, and now change the packages is equal to business packages. And then now I created two conditions for the packages. Let's save, then check if the package will select personal, then how what happened with this. And I will create further conditions inside this, and now I will just create a message, just like you are select you selected actually, you selected the personal package. So copy and paste into the another, and just change the message. So after this condition, I paste some headers for mail function, and in these headers I set from detail, I mean the email which I will use for the email sending, and then create a variable which will be the customer email, which is two variable $sign two variable. Use the subject actually, which is also from the form, and all these things. And after this, let's save. Now our script is ready for testing actually. I just want to show a little message, but you can replace with your template or message. Let's see. Fill the form. First of all, I will select the business packages, and then select the business unlimited plan. Fill the other fields like name, email. This email I will use for the autorespond. Actually, this is the customer email, and this is the subject I will use, which is also filled by customer. And now submit. Now email is sent. Let's see in the email. Let's check. Great, I have received the email. Let's open. Now you can check the message. I select actually business packages, so this message according to the form fields. And now I added some further conditions. Actually, if I select personal package, then we'll check which plan is select. I have created two more conditions inside this. If plan has personal, and then a personal, if plan has personal limited, then this message will show, and otherwise will be, and if have another unlimited, then another message will be. So now after these conditions, when I try to fill the form, so let's go to the browser again. Let's check what will happen after these conditions. I will paste in the description. You can copy all these conditions. Let's refresh the page. Now I set only personal plans actually, and I set actually conditions according to the personal packages. So I will try to check with the personal packages, because you can set more conditions, up to you. Now check personal packages and personal unlimited. I see. So fill the form. Email subject same as previous. Okay, let's submit. Let's see after submission. Now email is sent. Let's check. Ah, email has received. So let's see. Now you can see the message related to our conditional fields. Which fields are we selected? Actually the message is according to them. Now you can make conditions more than one and up to you, and you can use your template. I just use the text format. You can make a template and then make multiple auto response. That's all for now in this video, and please do like and share. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe by clicking on the red button below, and also be sure to hit the bell icon for the notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching. Please keep support and see you in the next video.